Hey guys, Bobby from Nitro RCX here, and we're here to show you the 110 scale mad speed drift cars. Today I brought the GT3 and the 350Z bodies. These bodies are very detailed. They come with rear view mirrors, spoilers, awesome looking exhaust, beautiful 5-star chrome wheels, and even imitation cross-drilled brakes in the back. Let's take a closer look at the inside of the mad speed. This mad speed is very capable, comes ready to run, fully adjustable. It's got adjustable camber links, adjustable toe links. You can even change the shock positions. There's like 6 different shock positions you can adjust to for the front and rear. A cool feature I like about this car is the adjustable differentials. They're actually ball differentials for that smoother action. You can adjust the tightness of how much it slips for the front and rear. It's great for drifting. This car comes ready to run out the box. Comes with the brushed 540 motor, a brushed ESC, and 2-channel AM receiver and transmitter. To get this thing to run, you charge a 2000 milliamp hour, 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery. Put 8 AA batteries into the transmitter, and you're ready to run. We do offer a lot of upgrades for this car. Carbon fiber upgrades. A cool upgrade is the one-way differential for the front. It almost makes drifting that much better. And if you're tired of drifting, you can always throw on rubber tires. We also offer brushless ESCs and brushless motors for this, even higher speed digital servos. The gear is covered, really cool feature, keeps all the debris out. One of the cool features I look for when I'm looking at an on-road car. So enough talking, let's run these cars. I got a buddy with me and we're going to show you how these things drift. Alright guys, you guys just saw the mad speed in action. These are awesome looking cars, even more awesome looking when they're sideways. I especially like this GT3 body, it just looks beautiful. We pulled these out the box, no adjustments made, box stock, and started drifting them. We are by no means pro drifters, but it does prove to be an easy drifter out the box. If I had one thing to say, I'd say I'd want a little bit more power, but hey, who doesn't want more power? I'd probably put a brushless motor in here in the future, maybe test out our drift gyro. But these are awesome looking cars, man. You guys should definitely check it out. Stay tuned for more videos of an upgraded version of the Mad Speed.